Regular manicure ensures the conditioning of your nail without any doubt. But if you're a fan of a lavish treatment, gel nail polish manicure is undoubtedly the right option for you. Because of the pandemic issue, salons are opening and closing, so going to the salon is getting difficult day by day. So at-home options are the best way to achieve gorgeous nails in minutes. And to spare you the hassle, in today's video, we came up with the 5 best gel nail polish sets, which will enable you to achieve salon-style professional nail art right at your home. So let's check out the video.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Skip the salon and save your time and money with the Lavender Violets Gel Polish Set, which will provide you with beautiful looking nails in no time. This nail polish set gives pure color combination that enhances your beauty with 14 days of long-lasting color. Each and every bottle shows the most accurate view while matching the color shades of the nail polish. The full color set lets you have a proper manicure in a professional salon DIY at home. It does not contain any kind of harmful resin, and all the beautiful colors are made with non-toxic materials as well. The Lavender Violets Gel Polish Set pleasantly surprised the users on Amazon, as it comes in exact bottle color with great quality. But then again, some users were not satisfied with their purchase. How to use. So it's time to rate this product. We'll gladly give this gel polish set 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and value. But it falls a bit on the pricier side, earning it 4 stars on that. The MEFA Perfect 20+3 Gel Nail Polish Set provides you a wide range of color selection opportunity that you can get in a small gift box. It's made with environmentally friendly products that contain a low odor and make your nail art fun and enjoyable. This gel nail polish needs to be cured under a nail dryer light after application. The colors are of high quality and are very flexible. Plus, they're shiny resistant. Additionally, this nail polish set comes with a top coat and a base, so you don't have to buy them separately. This gel nail polish set has earned quite the popularity for its colors and its ease of use. But besides all the positive feedback, some of the users didn't like the nail polish as it gives a regular coat. How to use. So let's take a look at the ratings. In case of user acceptance and value, we'll easily give this product 5 stars, but it is a bit pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. If you want to make your nails beautiful with elegant colors before going on a date, the Modelones LEAFU Gel Nail Polish Set might be the perfect choice for you. It has a new synthetic formula which makes nail polish high pigmented, and you can also identify the color easily. The nail polish doesn't contain any scent or odor while it provides a long wearing outcomes. Additionally, it has no harmful ingredients that may hurt your sensitive skin, so you can give your nails an elegant touch without worrying at all. The Modelones LEAFU Gel Nail Polish Set is highly recommended by users, and they were impressed with its new color series and long-lasting wear experience. But some of them were not happy with the quality. How to use. So it's time to check out the ratings. This gel nail polish set is quite affordable and it comes with a great formula, so we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. Our next pick for today is the Beetles gel polish set, which promises to give you high gloss shine, also vibrant pigments to show off your style. This long-lasting gel nail polish is the combination of modern shades that give you bold statements. It has a unique formula which resists fading, and you can get long-lasting, beautiful color within just 3 minutes. The product is made with toxin-free ingredients, so it's safe for daily use. The gel nail polish is an affordable option to create your nail art, and you can also choose from a variety of colors. Users are in love with this product as it comes with great colors and it's very easy to use. They were also impressed with the quality, which is great for layering. But a few of them complain that this particular set doesn't really live up to standards. How to use. So moving on to the ratings, we were overwhelmed by the quality and overall formula of this product. So it gets 5 out of 5 stars in total. Getting perfect nail art at home with your non-dominant hand is quite a task. The Gellen Soak-Off Nail Gel Polish Set comes with its gorgeous color set to make your nails beautiful on your special day. It has the goodness of mineral pigments as it's crested and also combined with natural elements. This gel nail polish has good tenancy. Its natural color gives you 2 to 3 weeks durable wear. As it is an environmentally friendly product, its healthy ingredients contain low smell that gives you comfortable wear for the longest time. Each color gives you a mirror shine finish within a minute. The Gellen Soak-Off Nail Gel Polish Set has earned a fan base on Amazon, as users are in love with how it gives beautiful fall colors and also worthy enough. But besides all those positive feedbacks, some of them think that the polish doesn't last that long. How to use. So let's rate this product. We absolutely loved the colors, formula, and price of this gel nail polish set. So overall, it gets 5 out of 5 stars. And those are our top 5 gel polish sets. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.